Hi guys, we've got another Citroen Berlingo in stock today. This one's a 2014 64 reg, covered 69,000 miles from new. As you can see, this one's in immaculate condition. This van has a fantastic service history. It's also just been serviced by us, including a new timing belt and water pump. It's MOT'd away until November 23. Comes complete with 2 keys, and it's the Enterprise model, so it's top of the range. Twin passenger seat which folds away, as you see in the photographs on the website. Bluetooth telephone, cruise control, aircon, electric windows and mirrors, sat nav, etc, etc. Super clean and tidy in the rear too. Comes with parking sensors too. Ply lining's all in great order. Just 69,200 miles from new. As I say, just had its timing belt and water pump fitted, a full service, and MOT'd away until the end of the year. For any more details or to arrange a viewing, please contact us on 01738 44 7733. Thanks again.